Hey everybody, welcome to Reading, Pennsylvania, known for its history, industry, agriculture, and dirty cops. Welcome to the Reasonable Middle. On June 3rd, 2023, Sergeant Bradley McClure, badge number 688, arrested street preacher Damon Atkins during a pride rally. And, although the Reasonable Middle does not necessarily share the preacher's beliefs, his right to speak that message is a clearly established First Amendment right. But first, Sergeant Bradley McClure needs to exercise his tyranny and show his immaturity by harassing another protester.
God bless you, sir.
Stand back. I gotta talk to you.
Okay, sir.
You're not gonna stand here and yell. This is not gonna be a thing. They have a permit to be here, whether you like it or not. You can cry about it all you want, but you're not gonna disrupt this. You wanna stand here, stand here. But if you think you're gonna yell insults to them, that's
I
not
haven't
gonna
said one
shut
insult
up.
to them, sir.
Okay, that's not gonna happen. This is not gonna be a thing. If it is, then you're getting arrested. You guys are all getting arrested. I don't care. All right, they're having their event. Live with it. Does it really affect your life that much? No, it doesn't.
I go out of my way because I care for their souls.
Yeah, well, get over it. Okay, there's other ways you can care, but you're gonna end up getting arrested. All right? You wanna make this a thing, I'll make it a thing.
God bless you, sir.
Yeah.
Sergeant McClure lacks the maturity and intelligence to understand that his question cuts both ways. I mean, does it really affect his life that much if someone has an opposite opinion? No, it doesn't. And, true to his word, he decided to make it a thing when it came to Damon Atkins. Damon gets a warning from this tyrant, and about 8 seconds later, Tyrant McClure goes hands-on.
You don't have to say you don't care. I don't. Guys, let them have their. This is public property. With respect. Oh, I'm respecting it. Let them have their event. You know who's cheering for us? The people that are in hell. So you do you, and I'm going to do me. This is public property. You. God is not. That's it. Got this one, brother.
Getting this on film.
Can I give him my bag while it stuffs him? Yo, I'm gonna need you to go to 128 North. And they're clapping. Brothers, man.
I cannot believe I'm watching this.
Altar.
Again, this may be a tough swallow. Here at the Reasonable Middle, we got it. Not a fan of Damon's message. But you don't get to abuse the criminal justice system just to enforce your personal feelings on street preachers. They have an equal right of free speech that must be protected. Unless you're a dirty cop, of course. Oh yeah. Back to McClure and his corrupt subordinates here.
Let me call for a wagon.
Sir, it's tight, sir.
Do you have anything in this bag that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No,
Okay.
I got a Bible.
Okay.
Hopefully you've read it.
Okay. Anything else?
No.
Okay. Well, I'm just
1
asking.
Corinthians 6:9.
Drugs, God.
I'm a Christian, true
Okay.
Christian.
Well, that.
You want, yeah, that's what, yeah.
I don't care about the second cup. I'm gonna escort him right out of here.
Officer McClure continues to exhibit the maturity level of a child, and as we'll see, he repeatedly taunts Atkins.
They're clapping for you, buddy. They're clapping for you.
It's also my
You made them more proud.
making history with us today as we celebrate the first Pride March and rally. Not only the city of Reading, but first now it's no between here and
Now you're gonna take a seat right here on this curb. Got it?
Yeah. Hold on, sir.
Shut up.
Don't tell me what to do.
Now, he ain't getting nothing out of this bag. I don't care. I told you. All you have to do is stand there and keep your mouth shut, and you can't even do that. Is that too difficult for you?
McClure gets away with his behavior due to weak, feckless leadership. His chief of police at the time was Richard Tornielli, who retired shortly after this whole fiasco. And the mayor of Reading is Eddie Moran. Both Tornielli and Moran supported the arrest of Atkins, with Moran claiming that Atkins trying to quote the Bible was so disruptive that it interfered with the rights of the organized event. Chief Tornielli would go on to cry to the city council that the city was being inundated with calls where supposedly threatening language was used. Naturally, he had to try to use some fear as well by threatening to go after those callers. But let's not forget another level of weak, feckless leadership, the Reading City Council led by Donna Reed. According to WFMZ, when crying to the council, Tornielli claimed that there's been a silence from folks in our community who are leaders and who can influence the people calling in. Of course, he made this claim after also noting that 99.9% of the phone calls were coming from outside the country and state. Tornielli's level of stupidity is clearly unmatched. Of course, the council members were quick to kiss the chief's boot and rally behind the police. And unsurprisingly, I can't find one single condemnation of Officer McClure's behavior.
The Bible says, lift up your voice like a trumpet.
Here. See what's in that bag. He's not getting anything out of that bag. This is his bag. You have ID on you? Do you have ID on you? Is a yes or no question?
You don't gotta treat me like this.
Is a yes or no question?
I do have ID on
Where
me,
is it?
Yes. It's in, oh, actually, no, I don't. I left my wallet. No, come on, sir.
No, that's your friend's passport.
That's his stuff.
Oh, okay. Got it. Why were you wearing it?
Why, what?
Why were you wearing it?
Because it's my backpack, and we came together.
Okay.
Tough guy McClure now denies Damon's friend his medical equipment.
Not getting anything from anybody.
I have medical equipment in there.
You're going
sir.
across the street, okay?
Sir, get your hands off me.
Get across the
I'll
street.
get across the street. Take your hands
Go.
off me.
Don't tell me what to do. Let's go.
Don't get your hands off me, dude.
You're gonna end up joining him. You don't keep
For what?
walking.
For what? Because I want my
Disorderly
medical
conduct.
equipment. I just want my medical equipment.
Well, it's
I
everything
have a
that's
stimulator
on
in
him
my back that
is
has
going
an
with
iPod.
him. You can get it down at the sheriff's department.
Oh, you're a jerk.
West Reading.
I'm gonna call my buddy John.
Okay, call him. Call your buddy.
What is it that you need?
I have medical equipment in that bag.
Okay.
Yes.
What-
It's
what
my
do you
stimulator for my iPad that's in my back. Look.
No, you're
Don't
fine.
believe me.
So is it like a, is it?
It's an iPod.
eSIM pa-
It's a white iPod
Okay.
with 4 different of my phones in it.
4 different phones?
Yep.
Why do you have so many phones?
I got 2
Crazy.
phones, one for the. No, I'm just playing.
What color are your phones?
They're all black. They're on the top of the bag, and it's got my iPad with it. My iPod. It's a white iPod. It's for my stimulator.
What's your name?
I'm Joshua.
Josh. All right. Give me 1 second, okay?
He's not getting anything from his bag. His bag. You have ID on you? Do you have ID on you? Is a yes or no question? Is a yes or no question? Where is it?
Oh, actually, no, I don't.
Well, we've got a passport.
Come on, sir.
No, that's your friend's passport.
That's his stuff.
Oh, okay. Got it. Why were you wearing it?
Why? What?
Why were you wearing it?
Because it's my backpack, and we came together.
Okay. Which one of these phones is he talking about? He said something about a medical equipment something.
Yeah, those.
Is it this?
The one phone's mine, the one in the middle.
This
I
one?
believe.
This one?
Blue.
Blue?
I do?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, then they're his.
Then no.
He just got kicked out of his house, so I think he's.
Okay. What he asked something. You don't have any ID on you?
No.
All right.
I have on my bank card.
What's your name?
Ready, scope.
Yes, yeah.
Well,
Alright.
driver's license out of another
I
state.
have a Pennsylvania driver's license.
Okay.
I know.
Take off the second set, which is the top set. Alright, so there's gonna be this one. I think he's just going a little funny. Alright, so that one shouldn't be so bad. That's Sarge, yeah. Do you want me to run him?
Ready, scope.
Damon, you're not wanted for anything, right?
No.
Okay. Mr. Atkins, I will say it's nothing personal, okay? You have the right to protest just like anybody else has a right to be here. The only issue is that you started a disruption, okay? So that's his main issue with it, is that you're...
It's not really a disruption, though.
Well, yelling at people when they're...
I'm not yelling. Who was I yelling at? I was
you were yelling, Chris?
No, I wasn't yelling at people, though. I'm just lifting my voice.
Keep in mind that this is what the cops say constitute yelling.
You and I'm gonna do me. This is public property. You. God is not. That's it. God is.
From here, Damon gets stuffed into the wagon and McClure charges him with disorderly conduct as a third-degree misdemeanor. More specifically, he hits Damon with Section 5503A1, and 5503A1 requires Damon to have engaged in fighting or threatening or in violent or tumultuous behavior. McClure's affidavit of probable cause claims that Atkins resumed yelling derogatory comments to the people at the event. Apparently, God is derogatory.
Yep. I didn't search him, I just searched his dad.
Search what?
I didn't search him, I just searched his dad. Phone in the bag. Yeah. Do you want us to turn it off?
Yeah. Can I call someone?
When you get down to the sheriff's, they'll let you call somebody, yeah.
You'll put the phone in my...
It's all going to be with you. It's all going to go with you. It's property. I just want to make sure it doesn't die, especially searching for signal down there. Yep.
You don't? Sheriff's. Where's it gonna go then?
Come on.
City Hall.
City Hall. It'll be in property here then. But phone? Yeah. Let's go. So what the hell?
You can put me in 5 minutes, actually. I'm sorry, 12.
Okay. You want to put it in there, but I mean the sheriffs are going to put it in there. McClure's.
Primary.
McClure?
If you happen to be thinking Officer McClure is a little too pissed off about Damon, you might be right. You see, Officer McClure was the one who approved the permit to begin with. And how dare anybody have a counterpoint of view after McClure has given his stamp of approval. Of course, all of the charges end up being dropped by the Berks County District Attorney after only a few days.
Yeah. I mean, worst case scenario, somebody will enter it in the proper.
On July 18th, 2023, Damon Atkins filed suit against Mayor Eddie Moran, former Chief Tornielli, McClure, and Courtney Dupree, one of the cops who was helping in the arrest. The city responded in September of 2023, denying all the claims and asserting 27 affirmative defenses. Yeah, 27. Many of the defenses assert immunity, and as you've likely guessed, the 17th affirmative defense lists qualified immunity. And one has to wonder if they even need any type of immunity given the support of weak, feckless leaders covering for them. So, given the actions, behavior, circumstances, and applicable law in this case, the verdict is that these officers' actions were completely unreasonable. If you found this story to be interesting, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for viewing.